Okay, so one of the major problems I have noticed recently with most fashion designers is that most of them rather, we they tend to focus more on the trendy styles. They tend to focus more on the big designs because they believe those big designs give them money, and they tend to go for those big shots to make those designs for them, but then they fail to understand that if you don't know your basics properly, you will always have issues with your clients. Now, I recently met a guy that came for upgrade, and when he came, he said he wants to do advanced course. And I asked him if he sews. He said, yeah, that he sews. I said, okay, what and what do you sew? He says he sews English trouser, senator tops, corporate shirts. I said, okay, do you know how to sew a short, like a normal knicker? He said, no. I said, why? He said he didn't learn how to sew a short. He only learned trouser. I said, how can you learn trouser when you have not learned how to sew a short? I asked him if he knows how to do the normal, regular Ankara stuff. He said he doesn't know how to sew those stuffs that he measured only on senators. I said, okay, let me see the samples of what you have been able to sew so far. And I was surprised to see that what he calls senator is not yet qualified to be called a senator because of the fact that he was making blunt, bloody mistakes. Let me put it that way. The lines are not straight, the fittings are porous, the finishing is not there. So how can you be claiming you sew senators and you want to do advanced course when you have not gotten your foundation properly? Because those foundations are the basic thing you need to know first. The same thing is applicable also on the female design as well. Most of them know how to sew only corsets, but they don't know how to sew simple blouse, simple gown, simple skirts. They will be all going for wedding gowns, corsets, difficult designs and styles. It's good though, right? But then your foundation is very, very essential. Your foundation is what keeps you in the game for a very long time, and not the trending styles. These trending styles will soon go, will soon fade, or the trending styles will soon be old, and new styles will come out again. So when those styles are no longer trending, that means your job is almost over. But when you have the foundational knowledge very well, you will be able to stand the test of time. You will be able to sew a longer duration than those that learn only corset and wedding gowns. It's just like someone who makes only suits. You will only have patronage when you have a wedding, corporate meetings, office outfits, and those demands or those order comes once in a while, maybe once a week or 2 times a month. But someone that sews shirts, senators, Ankara natives, you have jobs almost every day because those things are everyday wear. You get. So the call for us, for most people to get their foundation properly, is very essential, because if you tend to only focus on the trending styles, you will not last long in the business. You will always fade out once those designs have faded out. Those are our fathers that learned how to sew kaftan then. Those are our normal long kaftan. When the senator came on board and they did not learn it, all of them faded out. Nobody went to them again to patronize them. But those that were smart enough to diversify and switch over to senators and shirts and corporate attires, they are still in the game, running the job up to now. So this is just like an encouragement for us not to take our foundational knowledge lightly, and for us to also make sure that we always grab the foundation first before we crave for the higher designs, because most of the problems we'll be facing on those higher designs will be solved from the foundational knowledge. Someone that doesn't know how to make amendments of clothes, cannot do any alteration. So that's just like what I found out, and I deemed it fit to come here to share with us. So as you are learning the trending designs, also learn the basics. As a designer, you should learn first how to sew a simple basic outfit before you go to the trending designs. So the wedding gowns and suits and everything, corset and everything are not the only styles involved. There are people that make more money with basic designs more than people that sew trending designs. Because the order you get on those trending designs are once in a while. Why the orders you get from the basic outfit are constant if you know what you are doing. And then moreover, it will also help you to teach others very well. That's why you have intermediate class, advanced, and beginners class. So these classes, they have their own curriculum which they teach and which you are meant to learn. So you cannot enroll in advanced class and you don't know the intermediates and beginners class. Neither can you enroll in intermediate class and expect to learn advanced training. No, everything has a process. It's a gradual process, right? So take your time. Don't be in a haste to fly. Learning job for 3 months is not a guarantee that you are now a designer. Your years of sewing will also teach you a lot. So when you have learned the basics for 3 months or 6 months, don't assume that you have learned everything. No. Also be open to learn. Open your mind to learn from people whom are in the field before you. So these people that you will be meeting will be teaching you some tricks and tips on how to succeed as a designer. It's not when you learn for 3 months, you now start to challenge your guy, you now start to challenge your master or challenge someone that has been there before you. It's not proper, it's not wise, it's not a good thing for you to do. When you learn something, be calm, be patient, be lenient, be obedient, so that you learn more from people that has been there before you. Even if when you know it all, don't let them know that you know it all, because unnecessary envy will start erupting from nowhere. Still give credit to people that have been there before you, and still push your own brand, because all of us need each other to grow. And also don't always claim you are self-taught. Everybody learns from someone, whether virtually, online, or physically, or even me looking at someone's clothes. You learn from the person. My oga that I learn from now, he doesn't have a shop like he can boast of, but I can never discredit that he's my oga. Whenever he comes around, I give him the accolade that he's my oga, he's my boss. I always, give him the accolade that he's my oga. But we never stayed for up to 6 months before I left his shop. But I give him the accolade that he's my oga. In as much as I also went for further training, and I made sure I had my researches that led me through to the whole process. I came out, and I still maintain my personal first oga ever I came across with. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next one. So if you have your thoughts, please kindly share in the comment section and help me and share this video and share your thoughts for me to also learn and share with you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.